Well, guys, it's cold. I'm old. That's why I'm sitting down. It kind of hurts a little.
You're old. I got 10 years on him.
A lot of arthritis, okay? It's not the miles. Or no, it's not the years, it's the miles. Mine haven't.
It still makes sense. Anyways.
Mine haven't been highway, that's what I would say. Anyway.
Hey guys, what's up? So I'm getting ready to cut more on this bed today. If you guys have seen our previous videos, or I'm working on my truck, fixing my truck back up. So,
and if you like the little plasma cutter that could, just keep watching.
I like it. It was a freebie and we fixed it. And anyways,
I just like the Thomas Train reference since it's blue, but
So we've been at this for a little over 2.5 years now. Matter of fact, depending on when we release this video, 3 years for us will be about March 1st. So that's how long we've been doing this. It is not our primary objective. We both have 40-hour jobs or sometimes more. I'm working tomorrow, and then tomorrow's a Sunday, so yay me.
What are you talking about, 40?
Anyways, so we're not going to be quitting our day jobs. This is not, we don't spend that much time in it. I mean, we do, but it's not. There are some people take their YouTube channel and that is their livelihood. This is not ours.
If you do want to see us more and you do want us to quit our day jobs, you need to convince a lot of people to like and subscribe.
Yeah, because it's going to take a lot. I got a pretty good job. So anyways, so being as how is this is our weekend thing, and we do the editing and we don't really have a lot in it. We spend most of our money out of our pocket, out of our jobs, on our projects. And so when we did start receiving money on YouTube, because we got the 1,000 subscribers and we got the 4,000 watch hours, and we thank you guys very much for that. We appreciate that.
Wait a minute, we've got money for YouTube?
Yeah, I'll tell you more in a minute. So anyways, we started getting paid because, that worked. But it was just a little bit at a time. And then got a little bit more, and then got a little bit more. And we kept getting money put into a specific bank account just from the YouTube channel. And we finally got enough money in the bank account the other day that I decided to buy something. And we talked about this, and so we done some moving around, and I purchased all the camera equipment out of my pocket to do all this. And so we had the GoPro Hero 3 Plus. Adam bought the Acaso out of his pocket when we was doing this, so he still got it. Then I bought,
sounds good right about
Acaso. So then I bought the GoPro Hero 5. And we was doing all this, spending our own money into it because we wasn't making any money yet. So then
I was not allowed speaking parts in the beginning, so I had no money into the camera gear.
Go back and watch some of our old stuff, you'll understand why. There was multiple takes.
Hey.
He's gotten a lot better with the PG rating we try and maintain on this channel. So anyways, we finally got like a little over 500 bucks in the account the other day, which was pretty good. We was averaging there for the last little bit about $30 a month, which was pretty cool.
Which, if you guys understand YouTube, or if you have any experience with the channel, they will only send it to you after you've
got 100 bucks.
Yeah, after you build up $100.
So you go for 3 months and you've got $30 a month. You've got $90 in there, but they won't send it to you until it breaks 100. Then they send you that lump, and then you're waiting for the next one. So anyways, we want to show you guys what we purchased. This...
It wasn't the bed.
Yeah, it wasn't the bed. No, that came out of my pocket. This is a GoPro Hero 9, right? This has also got the medium mod. I bought that along with it. And I'll get up here. And so I know I've already shot one video with this, and it's going to be coming out after we release this video. And we're going to be shooting more videos with this, although we still like the Panasonic. I like the simplicity of this camera, so we'll still be using this one. But for our tighter areas and our on-the-go areas, this is my new camera for wrench benders.
And I'm not allowed to touch it.
That's not true. But in doing so, Kagan now owns a GoPro 5 that is his.
And trust me, you should feel sorry for it.
Yeah, we've already filmed a video for that one too that he used to film his own video on his chopper, and that one's coming out. Matter of fact, it'll probably be out already time you're watching this one. So we're making changes. We're trying to improve the channel is what I'm saying. Better video equipment, better audio equipment, and not that well, we got a pretty good setup there that we're looking at right now. Which brings me to the next thing that we're talking about here as far as making money on YouTube. If you guys watch us, and if you've watched this long into the video about figuring out what we've been doing, I have now set up Super Thanks. I have now set up a membership. Still not 100% sure what we're going to do with the membership. We'll probably give early access to videos released. There'll definitely be pictures.
Still not 100% sure what Super Thanks is.
Yeah, I don't tell him everything right away. I'll explain it to him after the video's over with. But anyways, so if you guys participate in that, we would appreciate it. There's a Super Thanks button down there, and there's the membership thing, which I think I'm doing $2 or $3 a month. I can't remember what I chose now, but there's going to be more changes. There's going to be more levels. I'm going to work on trying to improve the channel. And in doing all this, there is one promise that we will make you guys. So we got a new camera with the money. If we start making enough money, we might buy new projects or new tools or new stuff for what we do in the garage. One promise I can tell you is, and unless this becomes my full-time gig, I'm not paying my bills with YouTube money. It will go towards something that the viewers can watch, whether it be tools and equipment to work on things, whether it be more projects for us to work on, or whether it be more camera gear, or whether it be more. And as we get money in, we will try to keep letting you guys know what we're spending it on.
And we generally keep general stupidity and entertainment in one lump sum. So
anyways, that's the update. 2.5 years in, we've got $500 to show for. We bought camera gear with it. We're trying to set things up to maybe we can make a little bit more money. We appreciate you guys. And what money we do make is going to go towards the channel. That kind of sums everything up, and we will let you guys know what we spend it on going forward. So,
it's probably going to be poor choices on the spending on my behalf, but you know.
Usually it's going to be something that's rusty and doesn't run.
No, I own a couple of those. No, it'll probably be something that does run, but not that well. So, guys, we appreciate you. We really do. And thank you for sticking with us for 2.5 years and subscribing and watching and showing us that maybe we are just idiots running around the garage, don't truly understand what we're doing, but you guys are willing to watch us. I don't know if you're waiting for one of us to get hurt or what, but don't worry. Don't worry. It's been me several times. We just, you know, PG-13. PG.
There's been a lot of times something happens and he goes, because he knows he can't say some stuff.
Yeah, it's like every week. Literally, that's every week. At the time I melted my thumb and I was just sitting there and I'm like, don't say it, don't say it, don't say it. The camera's rolling, the camera's rolling, the camera's rolling.
But guys, let's go. Thank you.
Thank you guys. Appreciate you.